Hello creator and filmmaker, thanks for watching V Metro TV. So today I am create this audio spectrum. Let's look. Open After Effects, create new composition. Composition name change audio. I am using same HD full resolution, but my last duration 3 minute long. Now import your background and music, place timeline. Now make new solid for audio reactor. Name is audio reactor. And go to effect and preset, search effect, form, this effect download for check my description box, free to download, anyway, this effect drag and drop, audio reactor. Okay, now some setting change. First select open bass. X value change 593, Y value change 429. Z value change 0, particles X 400, particles Y 400, particles Z1. Close base form, open particle, and change color. I am using this project green color, but you are free to select any color. Close particle, and open audio reactor and change some settings. First select your audio file, and open reactor 1. Width 21. Map to select, fractal. Open reactor 2 and change width 66, strength 20, map to select. Sphere size 1. Open fractal field. First change, displace add 50. Flow Y minus 167. Flow evolution 96. open spherical field. Open sphere 1, first change, strength add 100, radius 410. And last open world transform, X offset add 400, this audio reactor all effect complete. Now go to Effect and Preset Search, Hue Saturation, this effect apply your background layer. Now go to Search Effect Glow, this effect apply your audio reactor layer. Now make new text, and type in your channel name, your company name, your music, anything, and adjust something like this. This project always complete. See you next time, next tutorial and tips. Take care, bye.